Hello, welcome to class. In the last class, we started circle theorems and we started with theorem 1. So if you haven't seen the video, I'll be leaving the link in the description. So for today's class, we'll be doing theorem 2. And theorem 2 states that angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Now, what this basically means is that when an angle is being formed coming from the same arc, that is arc A and B, and they are both subtended at the circumference, then these both angles, they are the same. So we could say that APB, that is APB, this way is equals to AQB. AQB, then we say X1 is equals to X2. That is, angles subtended at the circumference, both of them are equal. So let us prove this particular theorem. We want to show that APB equals to AQB. Now, we can do that by drawing our diagram. Let's draw the circle. And point A and point B, let's start from the arc where they are drawing from. So, let's assume that it bisects an angle at the circumference and as well at the center. So, make here point Q and let here be point O, of course. Now, remember that here was X2. Now, from theorem 1 that we treated in the last class, something is obvious here, because if I want to calculate AOB now, then angle at the center, to calculate it, it will be 2 times the one at the circumference. That's for theorem 1, we treated in the last class. So that will mean that for me to calculate AOB, it will be what? 2 times 1 at the circumference. That's what? 2x2. So I'll write the statement that say that angle at center is 2 times angle at circumference. So AOB is 2x2. Now let's assume that we have another angle that is being subtended at the circumference. Let's assume another one is here, and let here be P. Now let here be angle x1. Now in order to calculate the center for this particular angle, let's try the same trick again. So AOB for angle x1 here, that will be what? Angle at a point is 2 times 1 at the circumference. That was 2x1. Same statement. Angle at center is 2 times angle at circumference. Now, we could say that since AOB, we could equate them together. So therefore, we could say that 2x1 is equals to 2x2, right? So these two cancels 2. We'll have that x1 is equals to x2. That is, this angle is equals to this angle. So we can say that APB, that is APB, is equals to AQB. AQB. So we've just shown that angle subtended by the same segment is, they are both equal.